Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. It's Angela, the Traveling Crafter, and as promised, I'm trying to get my groove on, and so I'm doing a few 5-minute crafts and kind of a give a scrap technique where we're going to use our scraps and the things we have lying around to make something pretty. And here's what you're going to need. I'll tell you what you're going to need first, and then I'm going to show you what we're going to make and what inspired that. I have an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper here. This is from a Vera Bradley book. I also have 3 little, they're 3 inches, let me measure. They're 3 inches long, I believe, by 2.5 inches wide. Yes, 3 by 2.5. And that's all you're going to need. You're going to also need, if you don't have them cut down, some scissors and or cutting device. And we're going to need a little bit of glue. And here is what my inspiration was. I also do have a few scraps here because we're going to pop a few things in there. So I just kept these pieces that I thought we could use. I was recently cleaning out the last of the bins or the totes from my friend Val's mom, Nancy, and she had tons of vintage greeting cards. And I came across this one and I was like, that is so cute. I have an idea. So if you don't know, I love to use greeting cards, vintage greeting cards, or just, I mean, they don't have to be vintage. They can be ones you just find in the store that are new. But I particularly love to use greeting cards that fold out like this, because I think if you put this into, you know, a journal, you can flip this up. That's kind of hidden journaling space, and it just looks cute. But what I noticed when I opened these cute little things with the sentiments, this one says, greetings, may good luck be with you always, that these were also folded in the same manner. And I thought, oh my gosh, how cute is that? All decorated up with, you know, maybe some sentiments on the front or just a little image. So I decided to try one, and I made a template, and here it is. So I've got 3 little mini books, and each one of them fold up. So there's writing space. I left them open in the back so I could put a couple little tags in each one. And so each of these open up for writing. I didn't put anything on the cover. And then this opens up, and, you know, someone could color the page, or they could choose to write on it, you know, write in each one of the little flowers if they wished. But it's a quick, fun, easy project. I know you'll love it. Give them a go. I imagine that, you know, then putting this on a page and maybe making this a pocket back here or a side pocket here. And then you have all of this loveliness, scrumptiousness to play with. And here's how easy it is to do. We're going to go ahead and get started. Is this directional of it? Not really. Okay, we're just going to take this and fold it in half. I'm telling you, there's a reason I call these 5-minute crafts. You can mass make these like crazy. All right, you've now folded it from the center down, and now you're going to fold it from left to right, or right to left, whichever way you wish to do it. No one said you couldn't do it the other way. I'm going to burnish this down just a little bit, just to make sure it stays. Oops. There we go. All right, done. Your card, I mean, you could do this for a greeting card too. The possibilities are endless. You could put, you know, a little belly band in here for a gift card inside. You could type up little sentiments. So we're going to set this aside for just a second. And now we are going to make 2 more. Or no, not 2. Angela, learn how to count. 3 more little mini cards to go on top of there. And then place them strategically. Now, again, this one's not cardstock, but this and this are. So mine are, they might pop up a little bit more than if you're using regular paper. But I just used some that I thought were coordinating. I just inked up my dauber, so I don't know that this is a good idea, but I'll be gentle. Let's give it a little extra oomph. All right, let's set that aside. Let's do this one. This one we're going to do, Let's do this one first and then decide what we're going to do with that last one. I was going to do it on the other side, so it was the white part, but I think it'd be okay. The contrast might not be perfect, but all you're going to do, once again, fold it in half and in half. We're going to go this way one more time. And that's all there is to it. Now I have 3 little mini cards or mini notes and a larger one that we can use and then embellish. Now, I'm not going to do a lot of embellishing because I got a mess over here. It's one of the reasons I'm doing a few 5-minute crafts. I have a bunch of show and tell videos to do. And yeah, I need to get to those next. But I wanted to do a few of these first just to get myself on a roll. All right, now this one I did similarly to this one because there was this flower here. I wanted to leave that one open. But let's see if we can maybe do this a little bit more like this one and just kind of replicate it. And what I'm going to do is make it so, like on this one, do you see this one? There's not a lot of room for a tag, but I think if I put it on here this way, that'll be the ticket. So let's just do this. And I'm just gluing. I was having some problems with this glue earlier, so hopefully it's going to come out okay. All right. So we're just going to kind of pop that on there. Now, because this has several layers, you might have to hold it down for just a minute or so. I am using art glitter glue, so it grabs pretty fast. My hands are gluey and inky. So I hope you're all doing awesome. I made the mistake, well, not the mistake. I didn't make a mistake. I just didn't pay attention. I am doing all my videos or making my schedule for my videos for 2024. And I don't remember when this is coming out. So I'm assuming, I don't know. It might be coming. Here, let me see if I can grab this really quick. Is this coming out before the end of the year? Yes, it is. Right before Christmas. So, happy almost Christmas. Merry almost Christmas. Hopefully, if all goes well, this will come out on the 23rd. What are y'all doing for Christmas? Do you celebrate Christmas? Do you celebrate Hanukkah or Kwanzaa or something else? Tell me all about it. I love when you guys leave me comments, and I'm trying to make a mental. I should write it down right in front of me so I don't forget to ask you all each time to leave a comment or to tell me what you're up to. Because I really do love hearing from you guys. Now, what I'm going to do, just so you guys can see how I did that other one, is I'm going to take this little Creative Memories cutter. I think this is one of the first things that I bought when I was, when I started scrapbooking way back when. And I actually have another one, I think my mom gave it to me, that is brand new, still in the package. And I think that's coming to a live sale shortly. So all I did, this one might be too tall. Yeah. Just cut it off a smidge. And I just tucked it in there like that. And I kind of let it hang up. That one might be a little bit too thick, but it's fine. And then let's do another one. Let's make this one a little skinnier. But yes, I love it when you guys leave me comments. I love to hear what you're up to. I love it when you give me your tips or tricks or tell me ideas that would help me in my art. That's always nice. There's those. Let's see, do I have one more? Let me see if I have a little piece of this green. I'm pretty sure I do way down here in my scrap. No, that's not it. I've got my little bag that I throw everything in before I clean it out every once in a while, and I had a piece in there from before. Let's see. Okay. That should be good. Now, if I had my ducks in a row, which I do not today, I'm barely getting by, I tell you. Oops, did I make a mistake and glue that? Hang on, I'm gonna just straighten that out just a bit. There we go. All right, well, you get the gist. You can stick some little tags in there, but then each one of these will open up, and you could write on them, put little notes, something, something. I'm wondering if I have something tiny handy. Probably not. Oh, I don't think I do. But I just think these would be so cute decorated up. And then you just put this onto your page. Like I said, you could do a side pocket here, a top pocket here. You just open it up again. And then there is a space that someone can either write on or that they could color if they wanted to. And they're super, super easy. So here was our inspiration, and here are the two examples. Pretty fun little project and a huge scrap buster. So if you haven't tried it, give it a go. I hope you enjoyed that. Tell me what your favorite part of that was. And until next time, friends, remember to take time to just be. We'll see you soon. Cheers.